okay. Anyway, so stay to the end to see who. What are you doing? Ooh. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? Seriously, how are you? I took like all morning. It's just a afternoon. What time is it? 12:30. I took all morning to braid, label, photograph, list. I don't know how many braids, how many hanks of sock, and I like a million like 30 something braids and a bunch of sock yarn because I was in the dungeon all week last week, and I have a bunch of stuff that is ready to get hung up to dry. Like it's ready to get rinsed or it's already rinsed, and I just had to make space. I got like 30 more braids coming. Why am I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't even have space for them in the studio right now, but it's okay. I'll make space. Sometimes I just feel really inspired and I have to get in there and like get my ideas out, because the problem with my inspiration is I'll get new ones and then I'll forget the old ones. Basically, that's what happens. John and I were gone over the weekend. We actually took a short camping trip because, you know, we want to do some camping this summer and it will be Donkey's first trip. So we wanted to see how he did, if he needs some work on things, how he does in the camper, because like when we go, we kind of like to sometimes leave them in the camper just while we go to dinner, or maybe while we take a quick kayaking trip or whatever. So we wanted to see how he did before we plan to do anything like that. He did okay. You know, one of the things, some of you guys will understand this. One of the things that's been really hard is that he is so friendly and so sweet and smushy and loving. He wants to make friends with every single person he sees, and sometimes people are really scared of him because he looks tough and mean, and that's on purpose. Whoever got him as a puppy cut his ears and deliberately tried to make him look mean, picked him probably because he looks mean and tough. So sometimes people are scared, and it is so hard for me to watch him want to come and love you and have you be scared of him. Not you, but you know what I mean. It's so hard for me to watch. We all know people who say, oh, my dog is fine and super friendly and blah, blah, blah. And it's not really true. So I think we're all a little wary, which is smart. I get it. But watching him be like deflated and disappointed when people don't want to be his best friend kind of hurts my heart a little bit. Anyway, boy, I already am digressing. What does that mean for this day? Who knows? While we were gone, my Paradise package showed up. My buddy's showing up right now. And they put them both in one package like you guys know I love. Anyway, let's get this open. In case you are new, you might be wondering, why does she have two packages? Paradise sends me one of these to unbox to show all of you, and then I buy one so I can give it away. Hang on. This is the package from May, the extra package. At the end of this video, we will draw for a winner. I use random number generators and then a random comment picker to pick a winner for this. So if you want to win one of these, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video starting with this one and going all the way until the new one is posted, until I'm filming the next one. So it's usually the same day it's posted. Chat in the lives doesn't count, only because random comment picker doesn't see it. You actually have to leave a comment on a video, and shorts do count. So just making sure everybody's very clear on how you can win. I'm not even clear on what I'm doing today, but you know, that's fine. It's all good. We're gonna do it. We can handle this. We can do it. Stay to the end to see who wins this. And if you want to enter for these, just leave comments on the videos over the next month. It's that easy. I had not seen nothing, no hints, no spoilers, no nothing this month, and I'm so glad. And so this month, right on the bag, I love this. It says Slice of Paradise. get it from Paradise Fibers. And it says 100% recyclable. I have no clue what is in here. Nothing. And I love it when that happens because it is a full surprise. I'm currently spinning the March package and I set May aside for now, but who knows, maybe this will have to squeeze into the queue. My queue is always 700 miles long, as we all know. All right, now let's get it open. All right, again, no idea this month, which is fun. I love the surprise of it. And I love how much work they put into like curating these and doing fun. They just have fun ideas, you know? I assume this is like something about vacation, maybe summer, I don't know. Okay, we're all the way in. All right. This says, make paradise where you are. I love that. They're making paradise right outside a dumpster fire. I love it. That's right. Hey man, life's short, you know? All right, here's the in your bag. Let's go through it. I'm just gonna pull stuff out. Okay, I know what this is. This is 1 ounce of degummed mulberry silk cocoons. So you guys, I have the best idea of what to do with these and I can't wait to show you. I did not know these were in here, but I've been researching this other technique and these are the perfect thing for it. So I'm super excited to use these and we're gonna do a project together. It's probably gonna take me 100 years because I'm so slow lately, but who cares, right? I still have a great idea. So this is what they're like degummed. This is gonna be so cool. I have never done this. Maybe I should just spin these. I don't know what to do with them, but we'll figure it out. Wow, okay, so I'm drafting it a little. I could spin these. I'll have to think about if these are the perfect thing for that project because they're so unique. Maybe I don't want to waste them on something I'm trying out. They're really cool. So yeah, it's 1 ounce. That's a lot of cocoons. Holy cow. All right, next is 2 ounces. Oh, I don't know which one this is. I don't know which one's which. This one must be the 2 ounces. Oh, wait a minute. How will I know which one's which? Okay, hang on. We're going to take both bags out so I can see if I can figure out which one's which. Oh, okay. Okay, it says 2 ounces of Staycation, an undyed blend consisting of 60% Polworth wool, 20% silk, and 20% yak down. I think this might be it, but let's see if we can tell. I think it's, ooh. Gosh, I'm not sure. Let's open this one. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. I was right the first time. This is Staycation. The reason I thought this was it is, for one thing, it has a little bit of a silk sheen to it if you look at it. The other yak down is depigmented and this is pure white, but this, like yak fiber, is kind of like a beigey color, and so that made me think that this had the yak fiber that's not depigmented. So that's what this is. So again, 2 ounces of Staycation, 60% Polworth, 20% mulberry silk, and 20% yak down. How? It is like butter already, and it's got wool in it. It's so nice. Oh my word. I don't want to put it down. This is 2 ounces of depigmented yak fiber. I'd be interested to know how they do that. I mean, does that mean bleached? This is also, I mean, if this is like butter, this is like melted butter. It is just like almost like touching nothing because it's so incredibly soft. Oh my gosh, what a luxurious surprise this month. I don't want to put them down. All right, So then we have our little notions bag. We got a Ticket to Paradise wooden pin. Look at how cute that is. That's got to go on a bag or something. It has the little like pinch back, you know, the ones. Oh, cute. A wave stitch marker. See, it's a little like ocean wave, beach wave. A sweet honeydew. Oh, I bet that's nice. Stash tea. Yum. You can make yourself a little iced tea and perhaps, I don't know, maybe a little coconut rum or something in there for a little vacation cocktail. Not promoting drinking, but you know, not promoting having a cocktail on your vacation. And a Vacation Eunice vinyl glitter sheep sticker. Everybody knows glitter's my favorite. She's in a floaty taking her vacation with sunglasses and a hat because you got to protect your skin, right? Very cute. I love it. On the other card that comes in your box, it's about dyeing, knitting. Oh, and that they want to give us the idea to make our own paradise at home. It says, we want to inspire you to join us in a little fibery paradise of your own when life gets stressful or chaotic or even seems like a raging dumpster fire. Remember, you deserve to relax and indulge a little, even if it's just watching your favorite YouTuber while you sip some tea. You guys should definitely watch your favorite YouTuber while you sip some tea. Just kidding, kind of. So it says the star of your club is the staycation. Okay, so it's talking about each of the fibers, talking about how you could maybe dye them if you wanted to. I have dyed yak before on the channel, but this would be very fun to dye. This is, we decided to keep the luxury going with the 100% D-hair depigmented yak top. It would be so nice, but it would be nice in a blend too. And it actually says this in here. Like, I'm not really sure what I want to do with it. I always feel a little torn because it's like, do I want to keep this pristine and really have it like all its own good qualities come out? Or do I want to stretch it a little and blend it with something? It's so hard for me to decide. Oh, and it says there's a new Fiber Club specials page at Paradise. Awesome. Okay. So also they have an inspiration. They usually send us something where it's just like, well, it's kind of a suggestion. And I think for a lot of us, it's probably nice if we don't know what to do with that new fiber. A suggestion is, you know, it's never anything you have to do, but it can be quite welcome at times. I'm going to say it's the Nice scarf. It could be Nice scarf by Laura Nelkin. Sample yarn was spun with the staycation blend from the fold using long draw. 588 yards of 2-ply lace yarn. That sounds about right. From 2 ounces. They washed and lightly folded. The scarf pattern comes in 2 sizes and with straightforward charted and written instructions. Oh, and the one in the picture, I hope you can see. I don't know if it'll be close enough. There are beads right along here. I love the beads. I love knitting with beads. If you know me in real life, you know this already. Oh wow, it says they have extra issues of Ply magazine. If you order $25 or more and you're in the club, you will get a copy of the Ply Silk issue free. And then it encourages you to check out the Fiber Club specials page on their website. I love it. This one is really like fancy luxury. Thank you, Paradise. What a really, seriously, this is like, you know, one of the things about this I love, and I've mentioned it a billion times, is that I get stuff I probably wouldn't have bought myself. I don't know that I would have ordered these, but when I'm seeing them and feeling them in person, I'm like, how fun is this going to be? So I love this. And there's already silk flying all around the studio. We need to go pick a winner. It'll only take a minute. Let's go. First, my poor camera, you guys, it's on its last leg. I'm going to have to find a backup. All right, here's the last one. So we start with this one. 1, 2, these are shorts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we also count the lives. 9, 10, 11, 12. No, that can't be right. 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 videos. The first thing I do is see which video we're going to be picking a comment from, and it's number 4. So that'll be on the first page. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the project video, the one where I showed the whole year's worth of socks, believe it or not. So I grab a link, and then we go to the random comment picker, which is not as easy as it used to be. Yes, replies, do not filter, do not exclude. Okay, they change this like every month. So annoying. Okay, we'll get the comments and then start. Lydia wins! Congratulations! All you have to do to claim your prize is send your snail mail address to my email address, FiberLoveDiary@gmail.com. It's also below, and I will get it out in the mail to you. Congratulations! Because of this video going out on Monday, the video that was going to come out tomorrow is going to get pushed back by a few days. I mean, who really cares? You know, you're going to see it eventually. On Wednesday or Thursday, I will be putting out a video about the Tour de Fleece. That's going to give you pretty much all the information that you need to know to be on the team for Fiber Love Diary. I hope you will join us. There is no rule about being on multiple teams if you are already on a team or whatever. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Take care of yourself until then. Thanks. I love you. Bye.